Alright, we're down here at Marquise's spot. I just caught first fish. Nice. Green Sunny. Bass Pro Shops. Pepper jig. Doing good. Got the second fish, people. Yeah. Come on, Marquise, where you at? I just came to the new spot, it's a bridge. And I just caught the third fish. Marquise, you're lagging behind, man. Come on. Fourth fish, right here. We came from the bridge, trekked through the woods. We just got this real nice one. He's nice. Right here, they're right in front of us. Just jigging it really, really slow. Again, Bass Pro Shops, pepper jig. Nice. He's working on his first one. Hope he gets it soon, man. Marquise got his first one. Nice. Green sunfish on a red, a double-tailed jig. Mr. Twister. I just got a nice one. I swear I just tossed it in. He's fighting. Oh, he's nice. He's big. Hold up to Marquise's head.
Oh my God.
He's big. Marquise got his second one. Nah, oh, junk. He's big. That's a nice one. Oh, that's a nice one. Hold him up, bro. Nice. Oh yeah, I got him. I pulled him out of the depths over there. I got him. I gotta beat him since I'm holding the camera with my left hand. Nice. Let some off for you. Nice. Got him. Yeah. Had to get a camera to Marquise. They're right over here. He's good. Oh, I got him. I still got him. You recording? Oh, jump. Oh, my. I'm going to take him back out. He's so much fun. Oh, man. Okay. Stupid fly. I just got another one. Smaller. Still good.